talking a lot, don't you think? I'm not to talk in this.
So it is 5:47 right now p.m. Okay, I'm starting my work, so I have quite a bit of stuff to do today. So on our checklist we have bio homework, bio notes, social research, math homework, some bio flashcards. I have the textbook open on my laptop because I don't have it. I don't have a blue pen. I don't have a blue pen. I need to go get a blue pen.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I have a brand new blue pen. It has like the red thingy on it. So I'm gonna take that off. Okay, now I'm just gonna... Okay, so the first thing we have to do is this table. It's like about the function of life, and you just have to choose a unicellular organism and write about it. It's pretty simple. It'll get done pretty fast, so... Like everything, I finished already. And now we're gonna move on to our bio notes. I have like 4 pages of notes, 4 or 5 pages of notes. We're just gonna get on it. We're just gonna get to it. It's gonna take time, but yeah, let's just do it. I'm gonna have to draw diagrams and stuff too. That's okay. Let's do this. I'm trying to draw out some diagrams right now. They're not looking good. It's not supposed to look like that. Okay, I'll show you the end result. So I just finished all my notes. This is the diagram. Yeah, and these I have 3 pages. And it's 7:39 right now, so I think that took me like a hot minute. Anyways, I'm gonna take a break before I start social.
Sue. Guess who was too lazy to film any more studying for that day? Me.
You're ugly hands.
Oh my god, I'm sure we're missing the best parts. Okay.
We should cover the camera.
It's fun. Can you close it and open it again? Wait, let go. No, stop. Wow. The moon looks really nice. I'm just gonna grind on here. not neat here. Okay, but the first easier thing that we have to do, hold on, is surface area to volume ratio. And there's some stuff on the back that I just need to do. It's pretty easy. I need to get my calculator for it. So I'm putting everything back now because we need to go somewhere. So I'm getting ready to go somewhere now. Stop it.
Hey guys. Which one should I get?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
See what flavor is that?
Strawberry. The one that has a tail.
These are my already cut pieces, and now I just need to cut like a lot more. So starting off, I have my 2 sleeve pieces. I have my 2 collar pieces. This is the back. These are my front pieces. And then these are some lining pieces for the inside of the shirt. So this is the sewing machine that I got. So I'm gonna just try to open it now without actually like cutting myself by accident. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to do this with one hand, which is kind of dangerous. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, and there's some on the side too. Hold on. Okay. Other side. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, there's like a lot of cardboard in here. Okay, first thing we have is this. I don't actually know what's in there. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Oh my god. This is actually so exciting. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys see this? Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. I have to put my camera down, hold on. Okay. Oh my god, it's actually pretty big. Oh, it's really heavy, And this is the instruction. Looks like a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna set this up. Can you guys see it? It's cute. I'm gonna set it up and then I'll be back because I don't think I can set it up and film at the same time. Then I won't be focused. think you guys can see it, bro. Wow! Guys, look at this, look at this, look at this. Okay, ready? Oh my god. Wait, not that fast. Just slowly, gently. Wow. Wow, do you guys see that? It's full now, it's full. Okay, I'm gonna sort this out. Okay. I don't think it's gonna work out. How did she do it? Oh my gosh, she did it so gently. She just went like that and it came out. Why is mine not coming out? Oh! I did it. Here's the... Wait. Ooh! So as you can see, everything is like down right now, so I'm gonna put it up on my table and then I'll be back. So I'm gonna sew this shoulder seam. I'm gonna do a little bit at a time because this is like my first project ever, so we're just gonna do this top seam and then we're gonna do the same for the other side. Take your pin out. This better be a straight line, bro. Oh my god, this is not a straight line, bro. This is a squiggly. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Oh my god, okay guys, so this is our first seam. I feel like I have no idea what I'm doing. I've sewed here, I'm gonna sew to the end. I'm not professional or anything yet. I'll be professional in a week. Okay. Our needle down, lowest point. Hold on. Yep. Gotta make sure that we're actually stitching this time.